You and I, to live with you in this beautiful surrounding, you and I in this peaceful place, a sweet heaven, away now and forever. Every time we're exchanging ideas, teasing each other, making plans as if it will gonna happen, every words comfort me. Those emojis and gifs that make me burst into laughter and tears, annoying each other when one's getting bored, I feel so at ease and always thought, to you I belong. Sometimes I cannot help but to be greedy. I wish I could spend my remaining days in this world with you. How wonderful it is, you and I, in a peaceful place. Simple ways of living, a simple nipa hut, surrounded with fruit-bearing trees, growing our own vegetables, a small farm, a small poultry farm, away from the glimmering light of the city. Isn't it lovely? Shall we turn the impossible to possible? Yes, that is. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Can you tell us who the you is? Who is the you thinking for? Is it secret?
Yeah, but actually, I met someone here, but we are in different cultures, so I wish to be with him, but that was impossible. So
This poem is for him.
yeah,
Your impossible future, but
yeah, it is impossible, but I wish to be possible.
so sad.
Yeah, it's kind of sad, but we cannot do anything because we have a different culture. So
Yeah.
we just hope for the no.